Hey family, hope you guys are good, hope you're blessed. You know it's CPI day today, and right now as I'm speaking, it's 1 minute till the CPI news release. So I have a trading account funded with 72,000 Rand, and I have 7 buys on US30. So based on my analysis and my predictions, 100,000! I was still talking, CPI just hit 100,000. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Man, that was mad, bro. I was sitting literally on 100,000 profit. It just spiked up and then it spiked all the way down. It blew my account. What the fuck? Come on. Look. Literally had a spike to the upside. Gave me 100,000 and then it closed and went all the way down. Man. CPI has just lost 77k. We live and we learn. We live and we learn. It went my way, but that dipped. It's okay, guys. Lesson learned. Take it to the heart. Remember, in trading, that's how it goes. But dang, yo.